Hey everyone, welcome back to Over channel. In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to change the icon color on your Samsung device. Changing the icon color can give your phone a fresh, personalized look that matches your style. It's a simple process that anyone can do. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung device. Scroll down a bit and tap on Wallpaper and Style. Next, tap on Color Palette. What you want to do here is enable the color palette option on your device. To do that, just toggle on the switch. After that, tap where it says Basic Colors and then select a color from the options available. For example, I'm going to select the orange color. Once you've chosen your color, toggle on the switch next to Apply Palette to App Icons. Then, tap the Apply button at the bottom center of the screen. Now, if I go back to the home screen, you'll see that the app icons are in the color I selected, which is orange. And that wraps up this tutorial. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. More tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.